welcome back to my channel. Today I am in a different setup because, as you can see, I'm in my bathroom. So today I am going to film my braces cleaning routine, or like my everyday braces cleaning routine, because on Friday, which is not tomorrow but the next day, I am getting my braces taken off, which I am super excited about because I've had them for over 2 years now and I'm just so excited. Excuse the dirty clothes, I've just got back from the horses, that's why my clothes are super dirty. Anyway, back to the video. I posted a braces routine which you guys seem to love, and that tells you about everything that I use, but for now I'm just going to show you how I clean. First off, I'm going to tie my hair up because I don't want my hair getting in my toothpaste. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. Okay, hair is up. I look like a donut. So, the toothbrush. Whoa! Okay, so I think that's going to do for now, but this is the toothbrush I use. This is the Oral-B Braun Genesis toothbrush. It's absolutely amazing and it connects to your phone. The bottom of this is actually slightly broken because we had builders redoing our bathroom and one of them decided to drop this out the window, which was absolutely great of them. But this bit's just a little bit naffed, but all the rest is good. So as you can see, this does have loads of cleaning modes. It's on the normal cleaning mode right now, but it has the cleaning plus mode, sensitive, whitening waves, and a bit for your tongue, and this is your Bluetooth sign so you know when it's connected to your phone, and this is how much battery you've got there. So if I turn it on, you can see it goes through all the different modes, which is super cool. So I'm just going to brush my teeth normally. I'm just going to use a normal Colgate toothpaste, just however, and I'm just going to wet my toothbrush and brush my teeth. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. I'm ready to let 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 go. You got to let it go. Okay, so I'm just going to wash with my toothbrush. Now I'm just going to clean my tongue. That's that done. So now I'm going to take my electric flosser. As you can see, this has the on and off button mode, which goes from jet to normal, and then you can have the air in or air out, which means it, I don't know actually, but I'm just going to fill this up. You just fill it up from here, which is full of water. I'm just going to fill that up and then I will get on with it. Put mouthwash or water in this, but I just usually stick with water because it's a waste of mouthwash. Anyway, you just put this in your mouth and then you go over every crack of your tooth and it just flosses them because you can't really floss with braces that well. So let's get going. going to go over everything with this little brush here, which just goes over every bracket of your tooth. So what you do is you get this. And then you get your toothbrush paste. You put a little bit on the end. And you just go around every bracket. I'm going to use the viewfinder to do this because otherwise I can't see. So then I'm going to go in with my mouthwash. Again, this is a Colgate Plaque Soft Mint 24/7 plaque protection mouthwash. And literally, I don't bother putting it in here because I can't be arsed. I just, you know, shot. Everybody! This is the last video you're going to see with me with braces, so make the most of it because you're never going to see them again. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe down below for more videos, and I guess I'll see you next time in my next video where I'm getting my braces taken off and then I won't have braces anymore. But I will see you guys next time. Bye!